is part 2, and I'm just doing an overview, and I'm speaking about my experience and my journey when I started to learn about building a business online. And so these are some courses that I went through, and I wanted to do a comparison so you can make the best choice for you. So make sure if you didn't watch part 1, go back to part 1. So the next one I'm going to talk about is Group Juice and Juicebox. Now I know this has changed a lot, but when I went through it, I started out with Juicebox, which ran me $100. And remember guys, when I'm talking about this is just my experience. So some of the costs to do these programs may be different. So make sure you check into that. When I did Group Juice, I spent $500, and it's honestly, I may have spent $500 to get both of them, but again, I can't remember. I do believe their prices have increased, so I do not know what is all involved with that or what comes with that, but I believe it's like $1,500. But it teaches you how to build a business online around your passion, and they do focus on that you do not need a sales funnel, you do not need any overhead, and they teach you how to build that business using a Facebook group. Now, my problem with using a Facebook group or marketing that product, because number one, a lot of people do not even know what they want to market, what they're passionate about. So to all of a sudden grab this course, grab this product here as an affiliate and start marketing it, it is very, very challenging for someone to open a Facebook group and run a community when they have no experience when it comes to running a community. That is not something that's easy. That does take experience. It is possible, but I didn't find it quite easy. Now, one thing I do want to let you know and what I did like about it, if you are already like a health coach, a mindset coach, a fitness coach, maybe a realtor, if you already have like an established business and you are a coach, it is very, very easy to use Facebook as your community for you to keep in contact with the people that you're coaching or your possible potential customers. As of right now that I know of, Group Juice and Juicebox, there really isn't an upsell. The only upsell that I could see is if you were part of Juicebox and you wanted to go over to Group Juice, of course, you're going to have to pay more money. I honestly didn't think it was easy to understand. I think the videos were easy to follow in the setup, but when it came to running this business and they had other programs they offered, I just felt it was really hard for me to comprehend. So basically what I'm saying is I didn't think it was actually beginner friendly. The other thing that I didn't like about it is there's a lot of coaches that come out of Group Juice and their focus is to pitch you for you to hire them as a coach, which is fine because I do coaching too, but I just felt like they were coming at me from all different angles. Check out part 3.